Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss type conversion and type casting. What do you mean by this conversion and casting for type? In simple terms, converting one data type into another data type. Here I am not saying whether it is a conversion or casting. The entire meaning of conversion and casting is converting one data type into another data type. Now, first we will move to type conversion. Another name for type conversion is called implicit conversion, or another name is automatic type conversion. Whether it is called implicit conversion or automatic conversion, the name itself specifies implicit or automatic is conversion is done automatically, that is without any user intervention. The conversion is done automatically, so no need to perform any task by the user. Only the compiler can convert. Only the compiler perform the conversion process. In this case, what happens is lower data type is converted into higher data type. Here data type in the sense the value of lower data type is converted into higher data type value. That is, what is the meaning of this one? In simply, what happens is, suppose consider an expression 3 plus some 4.0. Here this is an expression which contains two values. The first one is integer, second one is float. How the expression is evaluated, that is the main important thing. Generally, an operation is performed between the values of same data type. Generally, this is the case. But in this case, 3 is an integer, 4.0 is a float. Then what happens? In the entire expression, first to identify the highest data type. Identify the highest data type among integer and float. What is the highest data type? In terms of sizes, float. So this 3 is internally, this happened is internally. 3 is automatically converted into 3.0 and then perform the addition, and 7.0 is stored in A. You got the point? This is called type conversion. This entire process, that is lower data type, is converted into higher data type. For example, in the entire expression, if one operand is assume, this is assume, if one operand is a long double. So in the entire expression, if the long double is the highest data type, long double is the highest data type, all smaller values are also converted into long double. Suppose if expression double is the highest data type, all the values are converted into doubles. For example, I am writing from high to low. That is highest data type to lowest data type. So I am considering only some sample cases. Long double to double, double to float, float to unsigned, long int followed by long int followed by unsigned int. Not only this, we have many number of cases. Int, short or char, anything short or char. This is low. That means if an expression contains short variable, that is automatically converted into integer. Sorry, if an expression contains long double, whatever the values, either double, float, all the values are automatically converted into long double. For example, if this is the highest data type, all these are converted into unsigned long int. This is called type conversion. Now we will move to type casting. Another name for type casting is explicit. Another name is explicit type conversion. In this, so the conversion is happened, but higher data type is converted into lower data type. Exactly reverse. Lower to higher is small value is converted into higher value means not a problem. Why? Because, for example, short integer, short occupies 1 byte of memory. Suppose if it is converted into integer, it occupies, assume 2 bytes of memory. No problem. Even though we are allocating 8 bits and additional, that is not a problem. But if you want to convert integer into short, in integer, the maximum value is 32,767. Suppose short, the maximum value is 127. Then what happens? We lost some information. At the time of conversion, only 8 bits are used, not 16 bits. So we lost some information. So in the typecasting, it is not done by the computer automatically. Explicitly, that means manually, that forcibly, a user has to perform type conversion. So how to perform the conversion? Simply within the parenthesis, before this variable, within the parenthesis, you can write the target data type. That means this variable is converted into this data type. Whatever the variable we are passing, that is converted into this data type. For example, int a, float b. Assume we have two values. Suppose b is equal to some 3.0. A is equal to b. What happens actually? The value of float is assigned to integer. Is it possible to store float value integer? 100% it is not possible. The float value cannot be stored in integer. For example, if it is 3.9, if you try to assign, the 0.9 value is lost. So in that case, we have to explicitly specify it. That is like this: a is equal to int of b. What happens? Before assignment, the b is converted into integer and the value becomes 3, and that particular 3 is assigned to a. For example, if you want to calculate average, m1 plus m2 plus m3 for 3 marks by 3, what happens? For example, 10 plus 10 plus 20, 40. 40 by 3 in the sense, compulsory, it is in points. But m1, m2, m3, assume all these three are integers. If 3 is also an integer, 10 plus 20 by 3. Actually, if all these numerator is integer, denominator is integer, compulsory, the result is also an integer. The result is also an integer. So if you are assigning like this, automatically it is assigned. For example, if you make float, simply whatever it is, that is not a thing. You can write the target data type here. Within the parenthesis, you have to write the target data type. This is type conversion and typecasting. The simple difference is type conversion is performed by the system automatically and typecasting is done by the user. Okay. Thank you.